You can also find that on the link tree. Those one-on-ones are fantastic. We can set this up for you, okay? It definitely does get easier when it comes to cooking with cannabis. And I will tell you that over the years, people couldn't come to our house without trying to figure out if it was infused. And what's interesting is it was 100%. Everything. Tea, coffee, we had tinctures everywhere, butters, oils, garlic oils, concrete butter, pasta sauce, pizzas. Everything was infused. It was a good time. We got child now, so we got to change some things. So yes. So if you were looking to make cooking with cannabis a lot easier, if you're looking to elevate your experience, go ahead and like, comment, tell your mother about it, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you next time. My name is Tariq Sparks. I appreciate you for watching this. Let's elevate your experience.